In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the issue where the country or region option is not showing on App Store. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now at the very top, you're going to find your Apple ID. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Media and Purchases. Click on the option View Account. Now head over to the option Country and Region. Here you're going to find the list of the countries. You can go through the list and select the country that you want to set for your device. In case the option is missing, you can head back, navigate to the option Subscriptions. Another reason the option may be hidden is active subscription. So what you have to do is cancel or wait for them to expire before switching regions. Next up, disable family sharing. If you're part of a family sharing, that can also block the option. So navigate to the option Family and leave the family group temporarily. You can always rejoin later. Next up, disable content restrictions. For that, head back, scroll down and navigate to the option Screen Time. Click on the option Content and Privacy Restrictions and disable for this option. Likewise, head back and give a fresh restart to your device. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing country or region option in App Store. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.